I am Dr. Genesis Mercado, and for this episode, we will unbox this address book that I bought from Lazada. I will place the link of the product on the description or bio of this video.
Bad habit, if it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose.
So this is the address book. I like it because of these letters. Okay, and you will place the details here. Okay. So I will flip it. Stradmore Essentials. Okay. Okay, so I hope you learned something new today. Kindly follow me on my social media pages, Dr. Genesis Mercado on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I also have a website, www.drgenesismercado.com. See you in my next video. Thank you very much.